Hey everybody, this is Joshua from JSP Style and Performance, and this is the Micro Show. Today I've got a very unique vehicle and I'm absolutely excited about it. It's something that is quite small. In fact, the roofline comes up to my shoulder blades. And this vehicle is pretty much made for populated cities as a courier van for businesses, or for anybody that just wants to get their business around town, or maybe just something that's a nice, lightweight, small, convenient vehicle that can get into small, tight alleyways as close as possible. And that vehicle is this. This is a Daihatsu Midget II, not to be confused with the MG Midgets. This thing is absolutely incredible. As you can see, pretty much it fills up the entire frame of the video. And it's a two-seater. I absolutely love this thing. It's so much fun to drive, and you'll get to see it in just a moment. All right, so let's take this thing out for a drive. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm 6.5 feet tall, and these vehicles were not really made or designed around people with that kind of height. And I absolutely love microcars because they're so different, they're so unique, and a lot of people only know about the main popular ones. This Midget, pretty much this is the only one I've seen in Florida, and it's got just 127,000 kilometers on it. Anyways, I'll stop talking. Let's take this out for a drive. Now, something really nice about this little microcar, this Daihatsu Midget II, is that it comes with a clean Florida title. It's already been registered here in the US, so we know it's street legal. And this thing is phenomenal on gas. It's a little itty-bitty tiny microcar, and it pretty much can be used almost for anything. It'd be great for businesses to turn this into a little carrier van or a marketing vehicle to take out to shows. But this thing is just so much fun to drive, and it's definitely a vehicle that stands out.